Thanks, everybody. Obviously, a bum leg is not going to keep me from this event. I first want to just say that the Lord has blessed us with this weather. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Is this not the best way of starting the new chapter for what's behind us here? I know everybody has been curious for months. I apologize that we haven't been able to put out a lot of information, but as a public company, it's very hard what you can and cannot say. And most of you have already seen that when we don't say something, other people do, and it's usually very misleading. So I'm here to tell you that, my wife and my brother-in-law, David, and his wife, Sandra, we're committed to this complex here. We invested in it privately to buy this, and then Callan J&B, the company that I'm the CEO of, is leasing it back. We'll be leasing it back. And we'll be managing this as we onshore and reshore entities from India and from Korea and from other international countries that have agreed with what the White House has said, which is bring those products back that used to be here in the first place. When COVID happened, and most of you probably know this, less than 20% of the active pharmaceutical ingredients, okay, the juice that was needed to make the vaccines, to make the oral medications and stuff, were even in the United States, okay? So we rely heavily on Korea, China, and India, for the most part, for those active pharmaceutical ingredients. And we as a nation are at risk every single day. There are surgeries that are postponed because we don't even have enough IV bag solutions to do the surgeries. That's what this complex is going to fix. We have already met with companies. Some of you have seen the press releases. Walker Pharmaceutical is the first Indian company that graciously said they want to be a part of this community. They want to be a part of this dream. So they'll be coming over here with some of their key folks, and then we're going to be hiring folks around here to augment where that help needs. If you had driven by here on Friday or Saturday, you would have seen roughly 30 folks out here working, and we were paying them to work. Our goal is that 500 plus people are going to be paid every day to work on this complex, whether it be in warehousing, whether it be in science, whether it be in laboratory development, part of the facility maintenance, part of the complex itself. We've got a company that has shown interest in resurrecting the equine center, where we'll be drawing serum from the horses, which will be making, life-saving medicines for our nation. So we're bringing this campus back. It's going to look the same. It's going to look just the way it was when the students walked through here, but instead of library books in the library, it's going to be manufacturing of critical pharmaceuticals that are needed. So we want the history. I'm a retired military guy. History is what I'm all about. Unfortunately, I didn't learn to duck when I should have. But, it is what it is. But we love the history behind it, and the history is going to stay. But what you're going to have is you're going to have a community. So for those of you that are familiar with the military, when you get an assignment to go overseas, so I got an orders to go to Germany, the things that should be running through my head, and hopefully they were, I'll let Donna tell you if they were not. What is my spouse going to do? Where are my kids going to stay? What school will they go to? What will happen if they need health care? That's what this complex is going to have. This is a community. So where you had dormitories, we're now going to have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. So those folks coming from abroad have a place to stay for their 2 years while they're assigned here. Okay? Where you had your, where you were making your papers and doing the production across the street, that's going to be a clinic and a daycare for the kids. Okay? We're going to be filling this up. You've heard Troy's coming on board. We've got folks lined up. They agree that this is the way to do it. This is going to be a community that is all encompassed so we can change what we should have been changing 10 years ago, which is not relying outside our borders, but relying inside our borders. And I'm excited to be a part of Marion. I just hope someday I become an honorary Alabamian. we're very excited about this. We wouldn't have driven all here. They wouldn't even let me get on the plane. I tried to get on the plane right after the surgery on Friday, and they said no. So I had to sit in the passenger seat, and I don't know if I've ever done that. But I just appreciate all of you coming out. And, just watch over time. We're going to start literally next week. We're going to start steam cleaning and power washing the buildings. We're going to get all of the greenery cleaned up and healthy, and then we can see what we have to start doing on the buildings. We'll have an opportunity when I finish here. If you have questions, obviously, I know there's probably lots, and we're going to put out a lot more now that we've let the cat out of the bag, if you will. But I'm excited, and believe me, there couldn't have been a better sign for what we're doing. So, for everybody that has helped, and there are way too many, poor Bill Mackey, the realtor. I'm surprised he hasn't already tried to kill me a few times just with trying to change things. It was not easy, but we were determined to make this happen. And I am so excited that the Atlas complex is kicking off as we speak right now. And you will see a lot of activity starting next week. Thank you all very much for coming out.